There is absolutely no doubt that when we die, we must go where we are propelled. Like fish caught on a hook, we are entangled in the strings of our karma and pulled into one or other of the 6 realms, high or low. This is nothing but the effect of actions, positive or negative. It is true that, ultimately speaking, there is no such thing as origination, but on the level of relative truth, the karmic principle of cause and effect is inescapable. It is like a gardener planting 2 kinds of seed, the bitter aloe or the sweet grape. The resulting crops will have a corresponding taste. In the same way, the existential quality of our present lives, whether fortunate or otherwise, is but the product of positive or negative actions to which we have become accustomed in our previous existences.